Hey guys, Queen of Hearts here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my own individual lashes. I know it's not the best way, it's probably not the proper way, but I am a girl all about saving a coin, especially if I figure out how to do something myself. So I used to always use a brand called Kiss Envy. I think when I first started, I got it from the beauty supply store. It was, I think, $2.99 or $3.99, and they were longer than your normal strip lash, but they weren't giving me the length that I really wanted. So I've gotten my lashes done probably once, maybe once or twice, and I love like the look of them. I love how I don't have to put on any makeup, just some lashes and some lip gloss, just doing the bare minimum. So I went on Amazon and I found these lashes. Let me see what they're called. They're by a brand called Quewel. It's Q-U-E. It's Q-U-E-W-E-L. It says volume eyelash extensions, thickness 0.07, and it's the decurl. The length I got was 18 millimeters. They are pretty long, but I don't like stack them on top of each other to make them really thick because I hate that look. So I kind of like place them with enough space so they won't look as close together and like thick. Let me see, and it's the Easy Fan Lash Self Fanning Eyelash. Like I said, it is the decurl, and right now they are on sale on Amazon for $7.99, and I'll show you what they look like on Amazon. $7.99. All right, and here's what the lashes look like. So they come with, I've already used 2 of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they come with like 12 lash strips, and they last a pretty long time. I've done my eyelashes 3 times out of this, and I've only used 2 rows, so that's pretty good. I feel like I'll have these for the next at least 2 months. I also use this eyelash adhesive by Kiss Envy. This is the long-lasting individual adhesive. It's waterproof, and I got it in the color Jet Black. The reason I got it in the color Jet Black is because when the glue dries, it dries black. I have gotten the clear kind by Kiss Envy, and when it dries like this white, and it looks so nasty. So I always stick with the black. I also purchased a fan from Amazon. I believe this was $9.99 or $10.99. You just click the button here, and you click the button, and the fan is this way. So it's like air coming out. So once I put the lash on, I'll use this to dry them underneath. Also, it's very important to have, I don't know the proper name of this tweezer, but the very first time I did do my lashes, I had the wrong tweezers, and I was wondering why I couldn't grip the lash from the strip properly, and like they kept falling. I was just getting irritated, so I went to my beauty supply store. I think this was like 89 cents. I got this, and it works perfectly. Like, it doesn't take me nearly as long to do my eyelashes because I have the right tools. So make sure you get the tweezers with the pointy ends. I really wish I knew the name of it, but I don't. That is all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Maybe I can save you a coin by learning how to do your own individual eyelashes. Once you continue to do it, it does get easier and it'll take less time. I know the first 2 times I tried it, it took literally like 3 hours. In this video, I am going to be filling them in and not like starting from scratch because I already had some lashes on prior. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments what you think. If you have not already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the next few clips, and let's get into this video. This is what they look like. And I don't go all the way to the inner corner. I'm just really sensitive in this part of my eye. So I just start right about there and I faint it out. So I really love this look. I don't feel like it's too much. I don't feel like I put, you know, that many lashes on. I feel like they look somewhat natural and I don't have to do much when I get up in the morning. My lashes are already done. Just throw in some lip gloss and I am good to go. And when you put the lash on, you're gonna be putting it underneath right here. You're gonna be putting it right underneath. And that's what they look like. I'll close my eyes so you guys can look at that from that way. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try it on your own. I'm all about saving a coin, like I said, and I hope that this video helps you guys to save a coin and you're still able to be beautiful on a budget. Maybe I should start a beautiful on a budget series because, listen, I do not like spending money. I don't.